Hi, my name's Malcolm Prescott, Managing Director of Weber's Property Services.
And I'm Alice Arkless from our Bideford branch, and welcome to Buckland Brewer.
Of course, one of the main reasons we're here in Buckland Brewer today is because we are selling some fantastic properties for Pearce homes right here in Buckland Brewer. So I'm with Alice, and Alice, you know the area very well.
Yes.
What are the really good reasons why people would want to live and buy a home here in Buckland Brewer?
I mean, I think really it's just the perfect blend of being just only 10 minutes away from town, but not quite in it.
Yeah.
You've got the coast that's only 20 minutes away.
20 minutes from the coast.
Very convenient living with a nice community feel. Just a little bit special, really.
And have we got a village pub in there?
Of course.
And a traditional village pub?
Yes, it is, certainly. You've got pool table, plenty of entertainment.
And there's also a local village school for
there's a
primary
primary school, which, from what I've heard, is very good. So.
And finally, you mentioned Bideford. How long does it take to drive to Bideford from Buckland Brewer?
Around 10 minutes.
Just 10 minutes?
So, not far at all.
Wow.
Yeah.
Great.
One of the things that I love about village life, particularly in Buckland Brewer, is that it accommodates its very own library.
And of course, a village wouldn't really be a village without a village shop. And here, there's a community village shop, which caters for those everyday needs when you need them.
Additionally, Buckland Brewer accommodates a village hall where plenty of events take place, including harvest festival celebrations, community groups, and much more.
Young and old, we all need our exercise, and here in Buckland Brewer there is a fantastic open playing field to run and jump and just make sure we all keep fit.
Here at Lower Abbots, Pearce homes take pride in the quality of their internal fixtures. The kitchens are fitted with high-end Bosch ovens and ceramic hobs. The homes are energy efficient with air source heat pumps providing your central heating and hot water. You can really see from the finish of these homes that they are finished to the highest standard and quality, just as you would expect from Pearce homes.
Lower Abbots has been an extremely successful scheme for Pearce homes, which is why there are only a few homes remaining. And this is more than a development. This is an opportunity to live in a scheme, in a development that's growing part of a village community. What a place to live. A place that's close to the coast, close to the open countryside. And these properties have NHBC 10-year warranty. So if you are thinking of a move quickly to make sure you get one of the last remaining homes here at Lower Abbots.